The name of this camp is Hot Girl Summer Camp, and HOT stands for hands-on training, which is universally known through the fire service. And twist. What we wanted to do is identify ways that we could reach out to our young people in the community. And so what better way than to show them their fire rescue. This is the first time we've ever offered this, and we just start based on our strategic plan and our efforts of community outreach, that what better way than to listen to the community, listen to the statistics and the data. Nationally, the stat is 9% of firefighters are females, and so on Hilton Head Island we wanted to contribute to changing that.
They're teaching us to be like respectful, open-minded, how to be professional firefighters, and how to be leaders.
I'm really interested in like being an EMT or going into a profession where I can help people, and this seemed like a great opportunity to get out and try some new things that I haven't done before. This has been one of the best experiences I've had at a camp, and it's really helping me discover like maybe I do want to be a firefighter.
The core components of Hot Girl Summer Camp are to foster leadership, enhance confidence, strengthen mental resilience, and build physical fitness. And so through the performance of fire and EMS skills, we think we can do that. Those skills are forcible entry, hydrant connection or water supply, hose deployment, and throwing ladders.
We've been connecting hoses to fire hydrants. We've been doing forceful entry. We've also been doing ladders and hoses.
I think the ladders are kind of tricky because they're kind of hard to pull like from the wall, and they're surprisingly heavy.
I would say the students' retention, their positive attitude, their desire to want to learn has been just inspiring. You know, as leaders, the goal is to inspire others, and they are the real leaders. We just here learning from them. And so we now start working as a company.
Through these activities, they're teaching like the routine when they get to a fire and how to really be a team player and a leader here. We work together as a team, so we have a lot of team building here, but they also teach us fundamentals.
Here at Hilton Head Island Fire Rescue, we have core values, and those core values are professionalism, compassion, diversity, and integrity. And so we always like to throw in the respect in there, because to me, everything starts with respecting one another and each other's. Respect, that's number one in my mind. What else?
They're teaching us that we need to be like respectful to like other, like of our like teammates and our other staff. They're saying like if we were firefighters, like how would the other firefighters treat us?
We visited our communication center. They got the chance to speak with our telecommunicators, learn that process, and then of course interact with the firefighters throughout this whole process. But at Station 3, we did another field trip. And so they got to see the process from almost from beginning to end, as far as the dispatch center, hearing the call come in, seeing how they process the call, seeing how they use the technology to work through that and then send the crews, and then interacting with the crews to see how they respond to the call and how turnout times are so important, and being efficient and quick and team-oriented. And so all of the things that we do as firefighters, we wanted to incorporate that into this program.
My favorite thing we've done so far is go to dispatch and really see how they work and like how they're taught not to be emotionally connected to all of the stories, but really seeing the inside perspective of what goes on every side of a call, from the caller calling in to the dispatching paramedics and fire trucks. It's really cool to learn that process.
Station 3, their setup is amazing, and we got to time ourselves to get into the fire truck and put on the seatbelt. It's really cool that they gave us a tour, and it's really cool how their station works.
Part of Hot Girl Summer, when we thought of that name, is self-belief, positive attitude, having fun, and building their confidence. And so I want them to know that in life they can do whatever they want to do, be whoever they want to be, and accomplish whatever they desire. Very good job.
Awesome.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job. Good job. Yay.
Come on, higher, higher.